People are using this to fix their insomnia in 2024. Here's the reality. You have a cell phone, a smart TV, and a Wi-Fi router, right? Like all of us, you are probably always connected to some kind of wireless connection, like 5G or Wi-Fi. Have you ever found it hard to sleep when you have your phone or tablet nearby? Well, new research might explain a shocking connection between cell phone radiation and sleep. Lack of sleep and chronic insomnia leads to serious long-term health risks like out-of-control blood pressure and memory loss. But what does this have to do with cell phones? It turns out that the radiation waves emitted by today's electronics severely disrupt the biological equilibrium of your brain, leading to more sleepless nights, anxiety-ridden mornings, and chronic brain fog. And big tech companies are actually warning you about this. Buried deep in their fine print, they actually tell you not to sleep near your phone and to keep your phone distanced from your head. To make things worse, the government is doing nothing to address this radiation problem. The last time the FCC updated safety regulations for cell phones was in 1996. Here's what a cell phone looked like in 1996, and here's what one looks like today. 10 times the features probably means 10 times the radiation. This problem doesn't only affect older people. Even those under 20 are at risk. And sure, some experts argue that the link between EMF and health risks isn't definitive. But are you really going to roll the dice on waiting for conclusive evidence to come out? Can you really trust the government to have your back on this? Think about how they handled cigarettes, artificial sweeteners, and even our budget. But here's the good news. There is now something you can do to offset the harmful radiation emitted from these devices. It's called a Lifetune One chip from Tech, the leader in EMF protection technology. Over the past decade, they've teamed up with some of the world's best scientists, doctors, and engineers to craft a breakthrough solution that has been taking the biohacking world by storm. Thanks to their innovative approach to technology, people now have a way to protect themselves from the long-term effects of EMF radiation exposure without interfering or limiting the functionality of their devices, meaning anyone can surf the web or social media safely. Here's how it works. It uses a unique etching pattern known as a circle fractal array to diffract the frequency waves of EMF radiation away from being absorbed by the body, restoring quality sleep, enhancing cellular energy, and relieving the body from oxidative stress. Just stick this tiny chip on your phone or any other device. Super easy. No batteries, no hassle. Just peel, stick, done. It's a simple way to protect yourself and your family from EMF. You'll feel better knowing you're covered. Through years of testing, we substantiated the effectiveness of our technology, receiving high praise from dozens of peer-reviewed journals and clinical studies. They all concluded that our technology showed a significant reduction of radiation waves being absorbed by our body. Keep in mind that the Lifetune One does not block radiation, because if it did this, your cell phone wouldn't function properly. We proudly list our patents and peer-reviewed research on our website and tested this out in real time with real people so you can see how it works. By attaching our Lifetune One to your devices, you'll gain a peace of mind, knowing that you are protected from potential harm. Think of it like a seatbelt for your phone. On behalf of the team, we would like to say thanks for watching this short video presentation. The Lifetune One is the real deal and is the only product on the market that has clinical proof behind it as an effective solution to EMF radiation. Demand has been off the charts, but today the Tech team wants to offer this life-saving technology at an exclusive price to get their technology into as many hands as possible. But because they have been going viral around the internet, they aren't sure if they can continue to keep up with demand. So they may need to take this offer down to slow things down. By clicking the link below, you have an opportunity today to secure this game-changing technology at a historically low price, allowing you to protect yourself and your loved ones from the harmful effects of EMF radiation. So if you want to join the growing community of people in the know on how to protect from harmful radiation, just tap the link below. We thank you for listening to this information brief and encourage you to learn more at the link below.